Hi there, I'm Andrew from Income Generation School, and today we'll be discussing what a virtual assistant does, how to get started, and some tips for success. So, what exactly is a virtual assistant? A virtual assistant is a professional who provides administrative, technical, or creative assistance to clients remotely from a home office. Virtual assistants can perform a wide range of tasks, including managing emails, scheduling appointments, conducting research, managing social media accounts, and more. If you're thinking about becoming a virtual assistant, the first thing you'll need is a reliable computer and internet connection. You'll also need strong communication and organizational skills, as well as proficiency in common office software like Microsoft Office or Google Workspace. It's also helpful to have some specific skills or expertise, such as knowledge of a particular industry or expertise in a particular software. So, how do you get started as a virtual assistant? One option is to join a virtual assistant agency, which will connect you with clients and handle billing and payment. Another option is to start your own virtual assistant business, which will require more time and effort to set up but may offer more flexibility and higher potential earnings. If you decide to start your own business, the first step is to create a website and online portfolio to showcase your skills and services. You can also use platforms like Upwork or Freelancer.com to connect with potential clients. It's important to set clear boundaries and communicate effectively with your clients to ensure a successful working relationship. You'll also want to set fair rates for your services and consider offering package deals or discounts for long-term clients. One key to success as a virtual assistant is to be organized and efficient. Use tools like Trello or Asana to keep track of tasks and deadlines, and consider using a time tracking tool to help you stay on top of your workload. It's also important to set clear boundaries between work and personal time, and to take breaks and practice self-care to avoid burnout. In addition to providing administrative and technical assistance, many virtual assistants also offer creative services such as graphic design, social media management, or content creation. If you have these skills, consider offering them as part of your services to differentiate yourself from other virtual assistants and increase your earning potential. So, there you have it, a guide to making money as a virtual assistant. If you have strong communication and organizational skills and are looking for a flexible way to earn money from home, consider becoming a virtual assistant. Just be sure to do your research, set clear boundaries and rates, and stay organized and efficient to ensure success. Good luck!